Hello everybody, Sasuke's Garage in the house again. This is my 98 Ford Expedition 80 Bauer. I will give you a full tour of it later. Today, we ripped this ugly stock exhaust. Look at that. Oh, the horror. Look at that. 80 Bauer, look at that. Okay. Ooh, get this phone out of my way. She is now gonna be straight pipe. I will see. Oh, should I show you guys a pipe down? What I'm gonna do? Yes, I should. Sorry about the mess. I'll give a full review about it. Now, where is she? Ah, there she is. Hello. Good, very good. Thank you very much. Here it is. Basically, it's gonna be underneath like this. Like that. All right, where is she? I'm sorry about that. Oh, focus. There we go. There's a stock heads and all of that and everything. Oop, okay. All right. Now let's let it. Now everybody wants to hear what sorry I didn't make a previous video, but you know how they sound. Quiet, no noise making, nothing. That wouldn't be fun. Oh. All right, let's start it up for you guys. It has a 5.4 V8 motor. Oh, from this to this. Here it is. Oop. Here's my 98 Ford Expedition 80 Bauer. There's my Ford F-150 and there's my race car. We don't have enough room. And plus, look at this. We need to get this is open garage. Plus it leaks, so that's all right. I will give you a full tour, but she is badass. Stock factory rims. This is beautiful. I tell you what, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah.
There you go.
She sounds nice.
Yeah.
So when are we gonna see a review on your truck?
Hey, it's a vlog. It's a vlog.
Yeah.
Bro, hey, what's up, man? Y'all check me out. Hey, y'all wanna see my shit?
Yeah.
Alright.
This is gonna be a review also of his truck.
You gonna post it on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, let me see.
Sasuke's Garage. Check it out.
Hey, hold up. Let me get my key out. Let me look.
All right, I'll give you a full tour of it. It's what year is this truck?
98.
All right, 98 Dodge Dakota. It's a 98 Dodge Dakota. Here it is. Isn't she beautiful?
Have y'all voted?
Buenas tardes. Hello.
Hi.
Beautiful 98 Dodge Dakota. Look at it. Look at that. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Ooh, let me get that exhaust.
Hey, put me on it.
Yeah? Go. Hell yeah.
The lights and all that.
Blacked out tail light.
Gotta get a little paint job, some more lights.
Paint job. Look at this. Oh, let's show them the interior. Here's the interior, all of it. Ooh, touchscreen TV, everything. We know we want to see that motor also. Not bad, not bad.
Little V6 doing all that hard work.
There you go. Anyway, look at this. A lot of room to work on it. Easy. Man, this is a great truck. I tell you what, look at that. It's a beautiful. And you look at, you got the grill. So cold air intake. Boom. She gets cold and you could street race more.
Yeah, that intake.
Yeah.
I hate that intake.
Yeah. The intake will make a big difference with it. If you get like an aftermarket intake, you'll get a big difference on it. Yeah.
That's how we do next.
All right.
Hey, what about the little car?
The little car? Which one? That race car?
Yeah.
She's gonna have a turbo soon.
Are you gonna put a turbo in it?
Yeah. She's gonna have a turbo and all of that.
I'm gonna go ahead and give me another car.
Hey.
Yes, sir. You gonna go driving today?
Yeah.
You in right now?
Yeah. Gonna go do an exhaust system.